Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in science. To begin, actively engage with your course material rather than passively reading it. Try to explain concepts in your own words or teach them to someone else. Regularly, quiz yourself on the content to pinpoint areas needing more attention. This active recall strengthens your memory and deepens your understanding of scientific principles, making your study time much more effective. Next, organize your study materials effectively. When taking notes, summarize key concepts in your own words instead of just copying. Incorporate diagrams, flowcharts, or mind maps to visualize complex processes and relationships. Regularly reviewing these organized notes helps reinforce the information, ensuring that you retain what you've learned over the long term. This systematic approach prevents information overload. Third, consistently practice problem solving. Science often involves applying concepts, so work through as many practice problems as possible. Don't just look at solutions, try to solve them independently. Explaining concepts aloud, even to an empty room, can solidify your understanding. Furthermore, try to apply scientific principles to real-world scenarios, which helps bridge the gap between theory and practical application. Finally, regularly review and assess your progress. Establish a consistent study schedule and adhere to it. Use self-assessment tools, like flashcards or practice tests, to identify specific areas where your understanding is weak. Don't hesitate to seek clarification from your instructors or peers on difficult topics. Continuous review and honest self-assessment are crucial for mastering scientific subjects and building confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.